Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a grammar quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. They have been friends dash childhood. The correct option is B. Since. They have been friends since childhood. Question 2. Which word is a verb? The correct option is D. Jump. Question 3. What is the antonym of the word notorious? The correct option is C. Respectable. Question 4. Which word is an adjective? The correct option is D. Blue. Question 5. The car is dash the garage. The correct option is A. In. Question 6. Which word is an adverb? The correct option is C. Happily. Question 7. He dash his friend tomorrow. The correct option is B. Will meet. He will meet his friend tomorrow. Question 8. She always dash for the tickets online. The correct option is C. Pays. She always pays for the tickets online. Question 9. Which word is a pronoun? The correct option is B. He. Question 10. I don't like coffee, dash I prefer tea. That's right, the correct option is B. But. I don't like coffee, but I prefer tea. Question 11. She's really skilled dash playing the guitar. The correct option is A. At. She's really skilled at playing the guitar. Question 12. The teacher gave me a nice dash. The correct option is D. Compliment. The teacher gave me a nice compliment. Question 13. She dashed her phone when it fell from her pocket. The correct option is A. Broke. She broke her phone when it fell from her pocket. Question 14. Which word is a preposition? The correct option is B. Under. Question 15. My grandmother is dash than my grandfather. The correct option is D. Older. My grandmother is older than my grandfather. Question 16. I can't believe you dashed that movie. It was terrible. The correct option is C. Liked. I can't believe you liked that movie. It was terrible. Question 17. He had to dash his car to the mechanic. The correct option is D. Tow. He had to tow his car to the mechanic. Question 18. My sister dashed to Italy last year. The correct option is D. Went. My sister went to Italy last year. Question 19. The teacher appreciated her dash effort during the presentation. The correct option is A. Sincere. The teacher appreciated her sincere effort during the presentation. Question 20. The teacher dashed the students talking loudly yesterday. The correct option is B. Heard. The teacher heard the students talking loudly yesterday. Question 21. Choose the correct spelling. The correct option is D. Q. Question 22. What does cool as a cucumber mean? The correct option is A. Calm and relaxed. Question 23. I dashed my phone at home this morning. The correct option is D. Left. Question 24. The movie was so boring that I dash asleep. The correct option is D. Fell. The movie was so boring that I fell asleep. Question 25. My mother dashed to the market every morning. The correct option is B. Goes. My mother goes to the market every morning. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new and I'll see you next time. Bye.